welcome back to Eat Your Kappa with me, Nambie. It's a bright sunny day here and I hope I'm not talking too soon because it takes 2 seconds for the weather to change here. And in today's video I am going to make a very simple dish from the state of Sikkim. It is called Chumthuk and it is a simple, very humble rice gruel made with rice and flavored with beef and ginger. And it is best to have this during the afternoon after you've had a hard day's work at the farm.
The ingredients required to make Chumthuk are: for 250 grams of starchy rice, you will require 2 teaspoons of ginger, 100 grams of beef finely chopped for flavoring, and salt to taste.
Now this is a very simple dish to make. All you need to do is put all of the ingredients into the pot and bring it to a boil. Now let's pour some water. Now let's add the rice. Give it a good stir and cover it with a lid and allow it to cook. It's boiling now, so make sure that you keep stirring so that the rice does not stick to the bottom of the pan. And remember, this dish is supposed to be of soupy consistency, so maintain the gravy in case you dry out. In case the dish dries out, make sure that you add some more water. And that's it. So simple.